Hi guys, it is vlogmas day 3. I can't even believe that it's already day 3 of December. This is actually kind of going a little fast.
She went away on Christmas Day.
But my birthday was 3 days ago and I've been waiting to like kind of open everything so I could film this video. So first reactions for most of these things. So starting with Uggs. The gray minis, like, oh. Like, these are honestly so cute. This year, I'm actually very happy with like everything that I got for my birthday. I asked for probably about like 4 things and I got all 4 things that I asked for, which is absolutely amazing. Those Uggs being one of the things that I asked for. My mom bought me from Coat this little bag wallet, which is so cute because you could either take it off and just use it as like a regular wallet, or you could just wear it as a little side body. And it's so cute. It's like a little coin pouch, so you can just put cash in there and bring it when you go out. And then there's like a little card space in the back. I got something else for my mom. A Coach bag. Oh my god. I'm gonna keep this one just to keep the bottom of the bag all nice. But I am going to unwrap every little piece of this right now because look at how cute. Oh, you can't even see it yet. Oh, this is such a cute bag. Oh my god. This is the little Coach bag. It is so cute. It's about like the same size on the inside as like the Marc Jacobs mini tote. It's not really that big. I like it because you could also wear it as the crossbody too. That is so cute, and I'm so excited because last year my dad had gotten me black Coach slides and brown Coach slides, so now I have like a little bag to match each when like I wear whichever, and that's just like, oh my god, that's so amazing. And lastly, a little Ulta haul. So today, because Ariana Grande's new perfume dropped, I think it was yesterday, so I went and they didn't have anything and my camera's gonna die, so I'm gonna run through this really quick. I got a new lip liner from MAC. I got new brow pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Chocolate. This acne treatment from La Roche-Posay. And I also got the Mint Condition Rem Beauty Lip Oil, and I'm just so excited. I also got a Starbucks gift card, another Ulta gift card. Like, this year is so amazing. I'm like so grateful for everything. It's awesome. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys tomorrow.